Here's a quick video about choosing the power mode on the BURST Pro Sonic Toothbrush. First, click the smiley face power button once to wake the brush up. The default power mode is whitening, but you can easily change that to your preference. Press and hold the power button and watch as the LED screen cycles through your 5 brushing mode options. These 5 options are whitening, clean, massage, sensitive, and freshen. Release the button when you see the mode that you'd like to use. Now that your brushing mode is locked in, you can do a quick press of the power button again to start brushing. When applying the correct pressure with this brush, the pressure sensor will engage. If you push too hard or not enough, the bristle vibrations will slow down a bit to guide you back into proper pressure. You'll notice a brief pause every 30 seconds, reminding you to move to the next quadrant of your mouth. After 2 minutes, the brush will stop vibrating and give you a general score for how well you did during that brushing session. For more information about this brush and brushing mode options, please refer to the link listed in the video description.